In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Supabase storage errors. If you're running into issues with file uploads, missing access, or storage-related errors in Supabase, this walkthrough will help you check the most common places where things go wrong. We'll move through the dashboard first, then finish by reviewing the code side of the setup so you can make sure everything matches. Start by logging into your Supabase dashboard. Once you're in, go ahead and open the project where the storage problem is happening. This is important because storage settings, permissions, and policies are all managed at the project level, so you want to make sure you're editing the correct environment before changing anything. After opening the project, click on Storage. This is where Supabase manages your buckets, file access, and the policies that control who can upload or retrieve files. If your app is throwing storage errors, this section is usually the first place to inspect. Next, select the bucket that's giving you the error. If you have multiple buckets for different types of files, make sure you choose the exact one your application is trying to use. A lot of storage issues happen simply because the code is pointing to one bucket while the settings were configured on another. Once you're inside the bucket, click Bucket Settings in the top right. Here, you'll be able to review the visibility and access behavior for that specific bucket. One key setting to look at is public access. Toggle public access on, then click Save. This allows files in that bucket to be accessed publicly, which is often necessary if your app needs to display uploaded images, documents, or other media directly. After that, add an upload policy. This step matters because even if the bucket exists and public access is enabled, Supabase still uses policies to determine whether uploads are actually allowed. If there isn't a policy permitting uploads, your request can fail even though the bucket looks properly configured from the outside. Finally, check your code. This is where you confirm that your application is using the correct bucket name, the correct file path, and the expected storage methods. If your dashboard settings are correct, but your code references the wrong bucket or sends the file to the wrong location, you can still get errors. It's also a good idea to verify that your upload logic matches the access rules you just configured in Supabase. Once you've gone through these checks, test the upload again. In many cases, storage errors come down to bucket access, missing policies, or a mismatch between the dashboard setup and the code. Fix those, and your storage flow should work much more smoothly.